So you might suspect that someone stole money from your family, from your inheritance, or that they're hiding assets from a lawsuit. Proving it in a way that holds up is what actually gets the money back. So let me walk you through exactly how I build that proof as a licensed private investigator, how our agency does financial forensics, and the same way I would do it for you as a client. First of all, you want to establish the baseline. Establish what the estate and accounts looked like before the person started moving them, either hiding assets or stealing them. Then you want to do asset tracing. Trace the money, where it went, who received it, when it was received, in what form of an asset was it? Was it a deed to a house transferred? Was it a bank account? Was it a wire transfer? Was it a conveyance? Any of those things you want to document when it was done, and also see who it went to. Even if it wasn't the person you think was stealing, we can do some backgrounding to see if they're a colleague related to them. For example, we had a case where somebody had a vehicle that was a $50,000 vehicle, and they didn't want it to be seized because they knew they owed money. So they sold that vehicle, and they said, hey, I sold the car. We did a title trace on it. It was sold for $20,000. Well, why would you sell a $50,000 car for $20,000? We looked at the name. It wasn't a relative, but we did find that it was a business partner of that defendant. So we showed that was what's called a fraudulent conveyance. Now, you want to get good legal advice to demonstrate these things, but you want to tie it to that person with actual records, not guesses. You want to tie it with tangible, documented proof, so when you present it in an official capacity, it's not just your word against theirs. We worked on a real case where a person going into a legal procedure where they knew they were going to have to come up with money to pay somebody's losses, to pay somebody's judgment, to pay somebody's damages. They were going to lose their lawsuit. Going into that case, they started converting their assets into another form. They basically converted financial accounts that were savings, checking, retirement accounts into cryptocurrency, thinking that it wasn't discoverable. Well, guess what? Crypto has records. It's not completely private. If you take crypto and just put it on a device and not have any wallet or any tracing, yeah, you can do that. But most people don't, because it's very unsafe. It's very insecure, and your money could be gone. So most people who take a vast majority of their wealth and hide it is not going to put it on a device. It's not going to be a hardware crypto. It's going to be a wallet that has tracing. There's many tracing tools that can show where that money went, and seeing that it went to another format is the first step in recovering it. In our last video of this series, we're going to talk about how to recover what was taken and how to get it back once you found out where it went.